long as that's. I thought it was a BMW. Oh yeah, super. This is clean. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. There you go.
I ruined my video.
My video for my 10 subscribers. Look, another C. Yo, this car comes with free gifts.
His dad used to have one of these.
Just take it.
Mine. Mine.
Hey, yo.
Hey, yo.
Damn. Shit, fat.
Yo, Mark.
Mark.
No, he's showing Marco.
Oh, big ass beat. We are home. If you liked, follow and share this with your friends.